Hi, welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. I am Amelia. Happy holidays. We have a beautiful holiday beverage to make today. It is a grown-up beverage. We are making a drink called A Kiss in the Snow. This drink features Amoretti's premium blueberry syrup and our premium blue Curacao syrup. So come on, make this drink with me. So to start, we are going to fill 2 separate blender bottles with ice. All right, so we filled up our 2 blender bottles with ice, and basically we're going to make a white portion of the drink and a blue portion of the drink, and then pour them together so they have this cute little swirl effect that's very holiday and fun and festive. But if you want to skip this step and not do so many dishes, you can blend it all in 1 cup. Here we go. Let's mix together our white version, which is going to be 1.5 ounces of vodka, 1.5 ounces of any plant protein milk, or if you want to use whatever your favorite milk is. We just want it for the creaminess, for the whiteness, to really make that color pop. And then we're gonna top that with some of your favorite berry flavored hard seltzer. Okay, let's mix this side up. So we want this to be super icy, super frosty, frothy, just like Frosty the Snowman. All right, let's go ahead and do the blue side now. So for the blue side, we are going to start off with 3 pumps of Amoretti's blueberry premium syrup. And we're gonna do 2 pumps of the blue Curacao, and we are really only using this for that super blue color. So if you're not a fan of that type of flavor profile, you can skip it and just put in like a drop of food coloring. It's up to you. I like what it adds flavor-wise and color-wise. It's awesome. To that, we're gonna add the juice of 1 orange. So this drink might look familiar to you because it's basically the foundation of Sex on the Beach, but we are switching out the peach schnapps for hard seltzer, and we're adding blueberries so we could get that cute blue flavor for the kiss in the snow. All right, our last ingredient is 1.5 ounces of cranberry juice. All right, let's blend up our blue side. All right, we are ready to make our drink. I wish you could smell this blueberry flavor. It is just bursting with that fresh aroma of what you think of when you want a blueberry type drink. Okay, we're ready to assemble our drinks. We are just gonna take both of our blender bottles, pour them in at the same time, and it's gonna give us that nice swirl effect that we're looking for this drink. All right, so there you have it, our super cute and fun Kiss in the Snow drink. Oh my gosh, it's so good, so flavorful. You really get that blueberry, the cranberry balances so well. It's like a bursting berry drink. I love it. Everyone at your holiday party will like it. I hope you get to try this. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel because we are coming out with a bunch of fun holiday drinks and desserts. You can also follow us on our social media channels at Amoretti on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and TikTok. Cheers, bye.